It's officially autumn by the time you guys see this video. I thought we could do a cute little autumn reset. I am peak autumnal person. I love autumn. I swear I have leaves running down my veins. I'm having some matcha in this cute speckled mug. I have so many things that I want to do. The main reason why I'm resetting is to mentally, physically, and in all aspects prepare myself for the change of season. We're officially transitioning from the hot season to the cold and cozy season. So for today we are going to reset my bedroom. I'm done with my bed. Thinking of turning this cute white cabinet and make it a bookshelf. I just removed the doors. I'm currently watching the Nina Simone documentary. I love watching something when I'm busy, usually a documentary or a podcast. We are doing my hair today. I've really just been having low manipulation hairstyles. My hair has been out and about. I just want a cute protective hairstyle. I'm going to be doing some twists. Easily one of my favorite hairstyles. I have already sectioned my hair. I'm using Darling Yaki braids in the color 1 because my hair is pitch black. I usually use 5 or 6, but I only have 5 with me, so hopefully I don't run out. Not done. So many things went wrong. I still have 2 lines that I have to do. I ran out of hair piece. I have to get it tomorrow and finish up. currently raining for some reason. Went to Clicks and stocked up on some essentials: mouthwash, toothpaste, feminine wash, cotton pads, my Dove shower gel, bronzing drops. I repurchased my pencil because mine is almost finished. This one. Got this burgundy gel. Went to Volpi's. Got new washcloths. Just simple colors. I've been wanting a basic white t-shirt. That is pretty much it. Finished organizing everything. I really love the new setup of my living area. It is just so cozy, which is obviously what I am channeling this entire cozy season. I want to bake some cinnamon rolls. I'm so excited. It's my first time making cinnamon rolls. Let's get started. I'm so sorry, I'm a bit distracted. I'm trying to type.
I have a whole other kid you have to get used to. But Brittany, it's the least I can get.
I want to put on a phone cover. I ordered these from Shein. So it's between the polka dot one I really like, and I think would go with a lot of outfits. Oh, this is so cute. Or this one. I think I like this one more. It also kind of looks fluffy. It reminds me of a knitted sweater. I think this is cozy enough. What do you guys think? I like this one. Let us get the cinnamon roll.
Hold me close and hold me fast. This magic spell you cast. This is Levian Rose. When you kiss me, heaven sighs, and though I close my eyes, I see Levian Rose. When you press me to your heart, I'm in a world apart, a world where roses bloom. And when you speak, ain't to turn into a song.
Oh no. On Manhattan Beach making that left a little time.
I'm just having some breakfast. I want to do my nails, the current state of my nails. They were white, but I'm thinking of doing a cherry red / burgundy color for the season. I'm also thinking of shaping my nails more almond.
Give your heart and soul to me, and life will always be.
Kabul. Taka lagi sa atin.
Ako siya, ano? Kung palit take say, kung palit. Focus. Yo. Focus.
What better way to end this video than with a monthly favorites of everything I have been loving, using, and overall just consuming. We are gonna start off with, first we have 50 First Dates, a classic. I was rewatching 50 First Dates starring Drew Barrymore and Adam Sandler. It follows a storyline of two characters who fall in love. The only issue is the girl suffered an accident, and as a result she has retrospective amnesia, and she remembers her life and everything before the accident, but she's unable to form new memories. And so she meets this guy who basically makes her fall in love with him every single day, because she wakes up every day not knowing who he is, but they fall in love all over again without ruining it. That is pretty much the synopsis. Dead Poet Society. I've watched Dead Poet Society before, but I never finished it for some reason. This February I finished Dead Poet Society, and I kid you not, I was sobbing on my couch. I think we all go through life having at least one teacher who will forever just imprint on your heart, because they make you aware of your capabilities as a student. It just focuses on the relationship between a teacher and his students at this very conservative Walton Academy, which is an all-boys preparatory school. The teacher's philosophy and line of note is seize the day, carpe diem. The boys are inspired by the professor to start a secret club called the Dead Poet Society. This somehow becomes their collective catharsis, breaking free from parental expectations as well as the school's expectations. They meet and they express themselves through poetry, and they just get to be themselves. But like any good story, there's always a tragedy, which I did not expect, hence I was sobbing. But overall, wonderful watch. We're going on to, honestly, mostly just been listening to South African artists. I've just been loving them so much. Loved Isneke by Jabulani Majola, Mimangaliso by Leah Butler, Woza Ndana by Jabulile Majola. I love this song. I really loved this dress. It is so fairy-like and so different from things that I usually wear. I really love how soft and feminine I felt when I was wearing it. There are these purple flowers in the design that I think are so stunning about this dress from The Fix. Next we have my glasses. I got these from Lensmart. I really love the frame of these glasses. It's very different to the non-prescription glasses that I would wear casually, but more so I've really just appreciated wearing glasses because it has genuinely just improved my quality of life. There's this sense of safety that glasses have provided me. I feel safe because I sometimes feel like I'm hiding behind my lens. I don't know if anyone who wears glasses can relate, but it's something that I have observed this past month wearing glasses, and I really love that feeling. We have this Nivea lotion with Q10. I finished it. I love this one specifically with the argan oil for very dry skin, and I have dry skin. It also absorbs very quickly. I love this. I actually need to repurchase this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this reset video. Have a wonderful autumn and a beautiful month. I'll see you guys in the next video upload.